What's up, guys? It's Tommy
and Dena, and today's episode is about our subfloor.
Yeah, so when you're building your subfloor, you have to do the framing, the floor insulation, and the subfloor itself. So we tried to maximize on space, minimize on weight, and create a really secure platform to do the rest of the build from. So that was our intention when we went into creating this sort of way for doing the subfloor.
So let's get down to it.
So the van has these 1/4 inch or 5/16 inch deep grooves, and it also has these other 3/4 inch grooves that sit down and below the bed of the truck. So the idea is to fill the deep grooves with our framing, our batons, so we have something to screw into without screwing into the van, and to fill these 1/4 inch shallow grooves with insulation. So the idea is to get as much insulation into the van as we can. So these are our framing batons, and they're sitting underneath. And then what I did was I'm going to be cutting these grooves in to each piece. So our 3/4 inch framing batons are going to sit right in there, nice and flush, right there. Alright, so gluing all these down went really well, and now I'm going to add the insulation. Our friends at Insulation Supply was a rare width, 3/4 inch. So we had to order it online. This piece it fits perfectly, just flush with these ridges that we created. So that's really nice. And then we will be using spray foam underneath to stick these down. R4 on these things, so that's pretty great. Our floor insulation is going to be real warm. Excited. Keep cutting these up. Where's Dena? Are you scared? Scared of the table saw? Hmm. So here's our template all cut out of builder's paper, and the next step is going to be cutting it out of this yucca board. Just got the subfloor in, and baby, it's looking pretty good. So take your shoes off when you come into the house, of course. So what we're doing now is we're going to be sanding our subfloor, and then we're painting the protective enamel layer. Dena's over here painting. Okay, baby.
Okay.
What you got there? Some waterproof paint? Let me see what you got here. Bare Premium waterproof wood finish. Very nice, very nice. So we're gonna do 2 coats of that.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, we like that. All right, well, I'm gonna get back to sanding.
Yeah.
Keep it up, babe. Excuse me, ma'am. What'd you say? Can I hear that again? Oh, excuse me. Wow! Best floor I ever stepped on. All right, cool. Now that our subflooring is in there, everything fits super tight. I'm just going to be screwing the subfloor with these Spax 1-inch multi-purpose construction screws down into the framing. So I'm just going to mark out where the framing is, which 35.5 inches. Boom. Boom.
So that's it for our subfloor. We've been out traveling in the van for a few months now, and so far we couldn't be happier with how the floor came out.
Yeah, totally. And a few things that really helped were adding marker lines on top of the subfloor, so you knew where the framing was beneath it. That really helped just to make the whole build go a lot smoother, and it was really secure screwing into those flooring batons. And then number 2 was the 1/2-inch plywood. We used that instead of 3/4 inch. It was plenty sturdy and cut down on weight.
So let us know if you have any questions, and as always, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you out there.
No, really, subscribe. We need more subscribers.
And out traveling
Traveling all over the world. There is that one. Oh my god. Things that really helped were adding marker lines next to the truck that's so loud right outside the van.
Couldn't be happier with how the van came out. I mean the floor.
Floor.
Yeah, so